Well, some dude brought over his Corvette for show and tell, and oh my goodness, cold start in the snow. I've been tinkering with the wood stove a little bit recently. I'm still gonna put a door gasket in here, I guess. I didn't plan on making an airtight stove, but I do have some wood stove gaskets or rope seals or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now.
When you get the side pipes in, then you get the wheels. Cars, you can, you see the shark gills.
Yeah.
You get the mags, you get the side pipes. You get, you know, from that angle, you got it. That's the best angle to get a picture of a car and get the most in there, eh?
I like to,
From 1974, I don't think they're mint.
yeah, they've been recovered or replaced or something, eh?
Yeah, you can buy them recovered. I'm going to give her a shot of this. She's got about a half a tank. I'll give her a good drink. Can you do that in the winter? I guess it's probably the same.
Yeah, and that ethanol only has a shelf life of like 3 months, so you don't put cheap gas anywhere near the winter. You put
I always use 91.
high octane only, eh?
Yeah, a guy told me to build this engine. He says, you can put regular in. I says, I've never even considered it. Like, I says, come on, it's a hot rod.
I don't blame you.
I'm not putting no fucking... Okay, what am I there? 500.
Well, the LT1 is high compression, so...
You know what pistons are in this?
What?
11 and a half to 1.
Yeah, the LT1's high compression.
It was in the, where they used to be. I had to buy a new bezel for where they were in 1968 in the dash.
Yeah.
Okay, so... You know how they go, it would not work, and sometimes I get it, and I go, once I had to get a tow truck, I'm in the auto club, but still I'm going, that shit. So I ordered one, don't order one, called an I Did It. And like it's stainless steel, so I rub wax on it to keep any rust away, because I don't want to paint it, you know. And
Ready to come. Hey? Oh, it has power windows? That's good. Yeah?
Well, if I ever want to sell it, I'll drop in.
Nice car. Nice to meet you. Well, some dude brought over his Corvette for show and tell, and so I had to uncover the fire turd to show him my side pipes, or lack thereof. He had some really cool side pipes on the Corvette, and yeah, actually I seen this car around locally not too long ago, and I followed him one day on a cruise, and he acknowledged, he said, yeah, I seen your car around, and blah blah, and he recognized the side pipes before I even uncovered the car. He mentioned that, so that's kind of cool to check out his Corvette and check out his side pipes. uncovered this, and I showed him what I was doing, and I showed him the engine swap. He seems like a pretty cool dude. Hey Buster, pretty cool dudes. Oh yeah, cool dudes. Yeah. Upside down smiler. Cold start. Cold start in the snow. Why not? Oh, that's why not. It's locked. How you doing, Miss Daisy? How you been? She doesn't like it when I cover her up and ignore her for the winter. Oh my goodness. Cold start in the snow. Oh yeah. The guy with the Corvette, he had a chrome brake booster. I need chrome, or I need to do something about mine. But anyway, he had a pop-up headlight delete on his Corvette as well, and I've mentioned doing that. I think that's pretty cool, more aerodynamic when they're down. And we had a look at it, or I had a quick look at it. He had his hood up, and he was showing me his headlight covers. And I'm pretty sure that he had Cavalier headlights in the Corvette. I'm pretty sure. And I looked at the bulbs. He said, I don't even know what kind of bulbs these take. And they were definitely like a Cavalier style headlight bulb. Should have let it charge up for a minute, or yeah, I should probably let it charge up for a minute because the battery sounded a little bit weak when I started it. Pretty soon, I'm working on a little shelter, so pretty soon I might have to move this car. She probably have zero traction in the snow, but anyway. And I gotta get those little filler plates for there too. You can probably tell that I'm not too concerned about the little things because I've actually been driving it like this with no radio, no headliner, little bits and pieces not finished. But they're never finished. Project cars are never finished, so you gotta enjoy them when you can. I was tinkering with the wood stove and trying to put an air intake on the front down low, so sort of been working on that. These boards are just temporary, I think, for now, but they keep some of the snow out for now. There's just enough room to open the door here. Just enough room to open the door, let the battery charge for a minute. Yeah. So the nose is sticking out a little bit, but I understood that because it's only 10 feet long. But there's some good overhang. There's a good almost 40 inches of overhang, I think, so that should help. I'm gonna try to close it in better. Like the tarp is only temporary, so I'll have to do some siding or something here and close it in a little better.
Cars you can, you see the shark gills,
Yeah.
you get the mags, you get the side pipes, you get, you know, from that angle, you got it. That's the best angle to get a picture of a car and get the most in there.